My background, well, I'm currently a stay-at-home mom, and before that, I was just in the grocery business. I wanted something that was more passive. I was a massage therapist before, and even though the money was good, I still had to be there every day for each one of my clients. And after having my third child, I need something that allows me to stay home more. So that I chose real estate because you can turn it into passive income and just build an empire from the ground up. So the program has been amazing. I love the atmosphere and the standard that the coaches and just like your other students hold you to. They give you a lot of accountability. It makes you actually want to go out and do things, and just the community and the knowledge that you learn. It's things that you can put into play like right away. Like when George tells you something it's not something that you go to school, you gotta learn, you gotta wait till you graduate to use. You can use these tools that he gives you like instantly right after class. I just got my first contract. Actually, they don't even know that yet. If they're gonna watch, I just got my first contract. I'm hoping to close on my first deal and just keep moving forward from there, and also be able to flip my mindset to not feeling scared and getting into analysis paralysis and holding back on trying to do things, because now I feel comfortable, I feel knowledgeable to go out there and just talk to people and talk to sellers and know exactly like what I'm gonna say and what I'm gonna do. I would recommend this to anyone that just needs the accountability, needs the tools, and just doesn't, especially people that know nothing about real estate. Like George, Cassie, and I, we literally teach you like from the beginning, like knowing nothing, like how to get your stuff that is not only real estate related. They just teach you how to build a whole real estate business. So it's like they teach you the smaller things first and then scale up to like everything that you need to know to actually build your empire in real estate.